Hello teacher, I am Antony Cardenas. I'm going to present my final assessment for dynamic leadership. I want to begin what I learned through the course. Situational leadership taught me the importance of the adaptability where I can access and respond to the needs of my team members depending on the context. The self-awareness is the crucial for a leader as it allows me to recognize and manage my own emotions, ensuring that I maintain composure during challenging situations. And also for servant leadership, has given me an idea that uh, leadership is about serving others, prioritizing and their needs, and providing a supportive environment. It also gives me an idea about the power such as referring the power, self-management. The self-management involves the ability to control and impulse my feelings and behaviors. I generally maintain the calm. There are moments when internal stress can cloud me judgment and affect my decision-making process. And the cultural intelligence recognize the importance of the understanding and respecting diverse culture backgrounds with the team. Communication is one of the most important key, and and when working with a diverse team, respect value is the key. And the self-management is the authenticity, is being genuine and transparent with the others about my feelings and beliefs. I plan to work of the being more open and honest in my communications, approach the supports on my leadership skills. um, for example, in the genius assessment, was I opening for me, revealing my own strengths and weakness as a leader, uncovering aspect I wasn't previously aware of. I scored well in self-awareness, emotional reasoning, and positive influence. Um, Indication a strong ability to recognize and understand my own emotions and how they impact the dog's behavior and leadership style. Some areas for improvement is the authenticity. I need to work on being more genuine and transparent in the communication to build trust and credibility. The self-management, I realized that I need to improve my self-management. I possess emotional triggers such as anxiety, stress, reject, to be heavily affecting my decisions and more. The awareness of others. Uh, I have scored less. I have scored less here in the awareness of the other, which suggests that I scored a strategy to comprehend emotions on the other before dealing with situations. Um, Two scenarios of the AI that I will need to in the future. Uh, the first scenario is dealing with team conflicts. In the future, I release there may be conflict within the team. For example, in scenarios where two teams members are at each other for a business idea. One of the members to implement it, but the other rejects it. Development the AI is management on my emotion by reflecting calm. It's like a self-management, creating an environment where both members feel heard and respected. This awareness of the others, the balance, emotional and practical consideration is emotional reasoning. The GIA conversion is the resolution that agree with the team goals while the addressing the understanding emotion concerns, uh, in ascertain that the conflict will be upon applications of the principles in EI. Uh, the second future scenario I may face may be with other team. In this context, the team motivation will be crucial for the project success. I need to leverage of the understanding of the emotional theories to inspire the other team. Uh, Developing AI and CQ is understand and respecting the diverse cultural background of my team, like a cultural intelligence, CQ, understanding the diverse background and emotions of the team members will help me associate with them. This is the social awareness. By using reference power, I need to gain their trust and respect. In this way, we can share knowledge and have a collaborative atmosphere, the team dynamics. And finally, the planning my path ahead. I have gained knowledge throughout the course of dynamic leadership, and the following are theories and the aspects I want to implement in the future. My goal is focused on improving my emotional intelligence, particularly in areas where I scored lower in the genius assessment, such as authenticity, self management, awareness of others. Uh, Though my score in self awareness was high, I plan to learn more and analyze this aspect, as this is the key aspect to improve other AI aspects. Uh, I intelligent the leadership theories covered in this subject into the future job role. Situation leadership will be help adapt to evolving needs of my team. The servant leadership will be giving me the proving the supports and empowering the environment for the other team member, and also improve my understanding of the cultural intelligence. And this application is diverse countries and backgrounds, and association with the diverse team member and understand the variety of the cultures will able me to be a dynamic leader in the future. Thank you, teacher. I hope everything will be okay. Have a good one.